Now I'm back over here with it toward the front. There's one. Most of the costs are the same. Make sure you want to get you some good penetrating oil. Alright, so it should come out. Only things holding on is these little rubber things, which you gotta push up off it. I like to use my knee and hand. Get that thing up off of there, like that. Got it down. So the exhaust pipe, it was rattling, and I did find the issue, what it was. So here's the exhaust, cat, sort of like a muffler. Well, anyways, it's coming from this area here. So I'm gonna turn this bad boy. I know y'all didn't see that. The bolt came out, so it's pretty much is in there. The car would be on. So this is what was making the rattling noise the whole time. Time to put this muffler back. Alright, now we're out here at another one. We're at AutoZone here, and I'm on the 2013 or 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We got a man, is that a light on? What is it? Oh, nice. Anyways, fuel consumption issue. It's eat too much fuel. So we did some of the basic tests. Ran a diagnostic scanner. Also, no codes are popping up, but what we're gonna do is just bought an air filter right there. Hers is clogged up, and also we're gonna get these air pressures or tire pressures up to about 45 psi, because that can eat up gas too when your tire pressure is too low. All right, so now we are on the Grand Marquee. We got suspension parts, as you can see, in and out of the tie rod. Mug, very good brand. That's going to be the inner, just the outer right here. I'll show you what it's going to look like underneath. So this is going to be the short one. We're going to count the rotations as we're taking it off, and they're going to spin into this bar here. Here's the long one. So we got some penetrating oil soaked on those so we can get them off easy. We're out here with another one, and we're actually working on the navigator right now. You can see we got a cracked lower control arm where the strut mounts on right here. See, it's cracked off all the way to the back side where the strut sits. So we're going to have to take this stuff off and go get the replacement one, come back, put it on, and keep it moving. Alright, so we got the knuckle separated from the arm, all the bolts, everything out. See, you got this thing broke off right through there. Oh, aluminum crap, piece of crap. That's why they give you warranty. Taking the warranty on because that one sucks. So it actually turned out to be the arms instead of, because we got one upper arm spring has to come out, shock. This other arm, this is what we're looking like. Hub sitting off to the side. And then we still got this little piece he wants to change out as well, which is those. Clearly. Had to end the day off getting gas. Gas is $2.85 a gallon out here in Dallas. I was only able to do one side. Look, my hands are super black. Not even the color of my skin. I was only able to do one side on a Blazer. I'll have to go back tomorrow. It's getting too late. So y'all will be able to see what's going on tomorrow. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm finna go back to the office, hop on this, what is that, Army of Two on a PS3. Yes, I am still playing the PS3 because I'm a man. I don't have time to play new games. So I actually forgot I'm not done. I'm back at the shop and I have to fix the hole that's in my tire, or else I can't go do nothing tomorrow. I could, but I don't want to be driving around on a nail. So I'm gonna find the proper stuff to fix my nail, which is probably on the bottom side. So we'll get to that right now. So we're looking at. So I don't have my tire plugs. I gotta go grab some in the morning. So I figure I get this stupid thing out. Gotta be kidding. Yep. So I have these. I ain't gonna use them, but I'll try it out. So apparently you screw this in, the screw hole. It's supposed to be a temporary fix. Okay. Okay, big dog. Wait a minute. No good. It did better about right. Nah. I don't know about this, man. Anyways, no good. Twist it in and snap it off.